fastest-growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipis taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mapikat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest-growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good morning mga kaibigan! It's Sunday, weekend. You know what that means. It's the Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 5. We are live here at ATENEO University Gymnasium and also to our media partners, One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon at sa Bucal Facebook page. Ako nga pala, si L.A. Lapid, and with me is...
Ako naman si David Joshua Bernales, and ayun nga mga kaibigan, this is the first game ngayong Sunday dito sa ATENEO University Gymnasium, a matchup between the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Yes, partner. So itong Mariners Blue Dolphins have entered the quarterfinals in Season 4 and the Pasacao Academy is a new team pero di na sila bago sa exposure in a hardcourt matchup. And Pasacao Academy looking to take a second win down the road, and the Mariners Blue Dolphins still searching for their first win.
Ayan, so first victory nila ng Pasacao Academy was against the NPS Saints. Way back before the Peña Francia festivities, di ba partner?
Yes, a much needed break, and also hindi dahil Peña Francia Festival break, hindi na din magpapatuloy ang training since kailangan nila ng strength and conditioning training to, especially dito sa hardcourt matchup nila ngayon. The White Tigers magagaling and also nanggaling pa sa malayong lugar, and hindi nila parang i-waste yung time na pagpunta nila dito to not get a win this day.
Okay. Siyempre naman partner, ganun rin naman sa side ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Siyempre maraming preparations ang ginawa nila when it came to the festivity. Siyempre hindi talaga mawawala yung ating mga training because sabi nga ni Kevin Durant, hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. At ayan na nga partner, nakikita natin sa ating tabi na final rules and regulations na binibigay ng mga referees sa kanilang mga players and coaches. And mga kaibigan, maya-maya lang mag-uumpisa na ang ating first game ngayong Sunday morning sa ating Bucal Season 5.
Yes, partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating sponsors, the Havaianas, Pigs Diner, and Elise Sportswear.
Yun.
And also the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. Bimeg Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. NCFB Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe, located at NCF Main and NCF Annex. NCF Indoor Fighting Range, first world-class indoor fighting range in the Bicol region. SMC Tinaga, NCF Training Pool, and also NCF Driving School.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga sponsors natin. Bucal Season 5 won't be possible without your help. And syempre sa ating mga viewers, shoutout sa ating mga manonood sa ating mga Bucal Facebook pages. Don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumubaybay sa mga basketball games this season.
And also to give us an update sa side ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Marhay na aga sa Indo Birds and LA, and marhay na aga sa ating viewers via Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV48 Naga. I welcome you to the first game for this Sunday. This is your courtside correspondent bringing you nothing but the hottest updates from the bench of the MPCF Dolphins. A little while ago, I had the opportunity to interview Coach Tan about their preparation for today's game. They will make sure that they win today since this is the elimination round for the Final Four. The Dolphins are craving for a spot, kaya naman stay tuned to watch them swim their way to the top. This is Zai Meniano at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Ellie and Burns.
Yes, Zai, maraming salamat sa update magmula sa side ng Blue Dolphins. We see there on our screens, Blue Dolphins creating final preparations for today's matchup. And also you see there, layups and creating open shots are we seeing here. And also, makikita din natin mamaya kung gaano kalakas ang pressure and defense na ipapakita nila dito sa White Tigers.
Yan. Siyempre partner, kailangan din natin na pagtuunan ng pansin yung mga preparations and mga plays na ginawa ng kanilang coach and yung mga coaching staff rin. And to give us an update naman on the side of the Pasacao Academy, mamaya-maya partner, tatawagin natin si Angel naman para magbigay ng updates. Ayan. So, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel on the side of the White Tigers. Angel, ano ang balita dyan?
Good morning, Burns and LA, and to all the basketball aficionados across Bicolandia. And a warm welcome goes out to all our viewers tuning in via our Facebook page here at Bucal, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Biga ng mga Kampiyon. After the long weekend, Bucal Season 5 is back into the actions. I am Angel Bito Plano, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. We are diving headfirst into the first game, the White Tigers versus the Blue Dolphins. Coming from a win last game, I had a conversation with the head coach himself, Coach Terry. Coach aims to get the win for this game, for they have been putting in the hard work during the past training. He also highlighted that they are aware that the opponents are a tough one and they are ready for the challenge. And that's the update, and I will be back for more. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Angel for that update on the side of the White Tigers. And ayun nga partner, habang nagsasalita si Angel, tumunog na ang buzzer natin dito sa loob ng hard court and makikita natin ang White Tigers are on the hard court. Ang kanilang first 5 dito.
Yes. In a few moments, magtitip off na ang ating referee to start or to cap things off this first game.
And medyo napansin ko nga partner, bago magsimula itong ating ball game, masyadong merong bahagyang height difference when it comes to the players of the Blue Dolphins dito sa side ng ating White Tigers, pero makikita natin kung ano ba talaga ang maipapakita ng White Tigers. Syempre, they have one win on their belts right now and the Mariners still looking for their first win dito sa ating Bucal Season 5.
You see here, the Pasacao Academy White Tigers on small ball.
So ayan na, tip off. Ayun nga, White Tigers wins that tip-off. Number 6 passes to the wrong man. Mariners ngayon ang may dala ng opensa.
Tumalasa, passes it to Tondo. Creating up a play. Screen there by number 10. Tondo, 4th ray. No good. Rebound there by number 20. Extra pass. Passes it to the wrong man. White Tigers possession.
Number 3 ngayon with the offense on the side of the White Tigers, and that's going to be a turnover. Early unforced error here by the side of the White Tigers. Number 20 now will inbound the ball para sa ating Dolphins, Soriano.
Soriano to Tondo. Tondo passes it to number 10. To Tumalasa. To number 15, Ramos. Ramos. Pero may nakuang steal dito ang White Tigers. Steal again. Number 0. No good. Number 3. Pero may foul nakita doon ng ating referee.
That's gonna be a foul called on Tondo. First foul on Tondo dito. White Tigers will inbound the ball here. Great full court man-to-man defense shown here by the Dolphins. Successful defense there. Tondo passes to Soriano. To the corner, Dumalasa, mid-range, in and out. Fast break dito ngayon ng White Tigers.
Number 1.
Beautiful pass there to number 6. Gets that first point of this ball game for the White Tigers. 8 minutes and 38 seconds sa ating first quarter.
As Tondo now driving the ball. Setting up a play. Pass to number 20. Back to Tondo. To Dumalasa. To number 20. Dumalasa. Thought about a 3. Number 20, Soriano. 3-pointer, no good.
No good there. White Tigers now on the offense. Almost an interception. Number 4 goes all the way sa kanyang layup. No good, pero a put back there by number 17. Puts the White Tigers to a 4-point lead.
As Tondo now has the ball. Pumingi ng screen kay number 10. Passes it to the big man. That's
another steal by the White Tigers. Fast break ngayon dito. It's gonna be a kick ball on the side of the Dolphins. Ball possession pa rin dito ng ating White Tigers. Substitution dito. Number 3 will go out. Number 4 will go in. 14 will go in para sa side ng Tigers.
John Bert S. Bayo.
19 seconds on the shot clock. Corner 3. In and out para sa White Tigers.
Rebound dito ng Blue Dolphins. As Tondo nagdadala ng bola. Tondo passes it to Dumalasa. Tondo tries a 3-pointer. And no good. White Tigers ngayon. But steal by Soriano. Soriano layup. That's good.
Napakagandang Euro step ang pinakita doon ni Soriano for that 2-pointer. Pero full court man-to-man defense pa rin ang pinapakita dito ng Dolphins as number 1 slashes in. Pero yung kanyang shot, no good. Same ball called here by the referee. Ball possession dito ng Mariners. 7 minutes and 4 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 2-point lead ang hawak dito ng White Tigers, partner.
Yes, we are seeing here the 3-2 zone defense by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. As Tondo has the ball, passes it to number 20. Tries a 3-pointer. That's good. 1-point lead ngayon dito ang Blue Dolphins against the White Tigers.
Medyo umiinit dito ang ating Blue Dolphins. Pero White Tigers now for their revenge 3-pointer. No good. Dumalas against that rebound.
Tondo. To number 20. Soriano for 3. No good. Rebound dito ng White Tigers.
Foul called here by the referee. That's going to be a foul called again on Tondo. Second personal foul by Tondo here. Briosa,
partner.
Yes.
Manuel Joshua. As number 6.
That's a block, partner. By number 15. And a whistle called by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on number 17. Gandang block there by the big man of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, Ramos. Enforcing a turnover for the side of the White Tigers.
Nahihirapan dito ang small ball offense na ginagawa ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers kasi puro big man ang nasa hard court ng Blue Dolphins as Dumalasa 3-pointer.
Pero may foul na nakuha dyan si Dumalasa, so he will get 3 free throws dito sa ating free throw line. Medyo mataas talaga ang height difference na pinapakita dito ng ating Blue Dolphins kaya nahihirapan pumasok sa loob ang ating White Tigers. So first shot dito ni Dumalasa is good, extending their lead to 2 points. Second shot is good.
Extending their lead to 3 points. Looking to extend it to 4.
That's good. Perfect from the line si Dumalasa. 3-4-3.
Full court trapping here ng Blue Dolphins. As number 17 ties the 2-pointer. No good. But second chance points, basket, and a foul. 3-point play opportunity.
Yes.
As number 1, Briosa will step on the line for a 3-point play opportunity to shorten the lead just to 1 point.
Napakagandang hustle play yung pinakita doon ni Briosa kanina. Scrambling for the ball yung both teams and then hindi siya nag-hesitate to put the ball inside and yung end one play niya is good, partner.
Great ball control doon. Coming from a foul at na-shoot pa for a 3-point play opportunity and 3-point play opportunity is successful dito kay Briosa.
Pero ngayon, offense ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins. Beautiful inside pass there by number 1 to his teammate number 10 to get that easy 2-pointer. Beautiful assist there by the Blue Dolphins.
Balik ulit sa tatlong kalamangan as White Tigers. Alley-oop, no good.
Napakagandang block there by the Mariners. Number 10 ngayon going all the way. Layup no good. Put back by Dumalasa. That's good for another 2-pointer para sa Blue Dolphins.
12-7 dito sa ating first quarter with 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Timeout dito ngayon ng Pasacao Academy with 4 minutes and 57 seconds. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back live here at ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of our matchup between the Pasacao Academy White Tigers versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Turnover there. Same ball. White Tigers in possession. Deflected there by the Blue Dolphins, pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee.
Penalty situation na kaagad dito ang White Tigers, partner.
As Briosa will once again step on the line.
Early foul trouble dito ang ating Blue Dolphins.
Yes. First free throw of Briosa, no good. Second free throw attempt, a recovery free throw.
Second shot, no good. Put back by number 17, no good. Another offensive rebound, and this time, successful ang kanyang attempt.
3 points ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Blue Dolphins. As number 1 drives, extra pass. Nakuha ulit ni number 10 ang bola. To number 1. 5 seconds. Shot clock. Badong. Block there.
That's gonna be a shot clock violation on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Napakagandang depensa ang pinakita dito ng White Tigers.
Nagtatrapping na din dito ang White Tigers.
Number 17 now with the ball. Passes to his teammate on the weak side. Extra pass to number 6. Layup, that's good. Beautiful passing there shown by the White Tigers.
Pumahataw na dito ang White Tigers as the Blue Dolphins now only have 1 point. And also, the White Tigers looking to take the lead. As number 17.
That's another steal.
Intercepted. There. Number 1 tries.
That's going to be an offensive rebound. Ay, offensive foul.
Yes.
For number 1 sa ating Blue Dolphins.
As the White Tigers now, ball possession.
White Tigers now looking to regain their lead here. As number 15 intercepts that ball. Pero ball possession pa rin dito ng ating White Tigers with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Briosa now nagdadala ng bola.
Number 1, Briosa. Guarded. We see there the extension of the wingspans of the Blue Dolphins as they get most deflections here. Number 3 passes it to number 1, tries a 3-pointer. That's good! 2-point lead dito para sa White Tigers as Blue Dolphins now has the ball.
And just like that, partner, White Tigers now have the lead. And another offensive foul here called by the referee, this time on number 15. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 2-point lead coming from that 3-pointer by Briosa sa ating White Tigers. Substitution dito from the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ramos will sit out, I think, for the remainder of this quarter.
Yes.
White Tigers now on the offense. Briosa with the ball.
Once again, inside pass to number 6. Off balance shot, no good. Number 24 now driving. Layup, no good. Rebound dito ng White Tigers. As the White Tigers in offense, number 6 to number 8. Passes it to number 1. Inside pass. Intercepted by jersey number 10 of the Blue Dolphins as he drives to the basket. Still no good. Number 6. Now has the ball driving. Ear step. Pero stepping on the line dito ang White Tigers as the Blue Dolphins take this ball possession.
Substitution naman on the side of the White Tigers. Blue Dolphins ngayon ang nasa opensa. Nakikita natin, partner, dun sa sequence kanina. Bago lumabas yung bola, marami ang nagsistruggle, maipasok yung bola, pero nice hustle from both teams.
Yes, and also both teams now having a man-to-man trapping na dito since it is just 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Pero great ball offense na agad ang pinakita ng both teams and great ball defense. As number 6, 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by number 3. Passes it to number 8. To number 1, Briosa, 3-pointer. Pero, air ball.
Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating Blue Dolphins. And another substitution dito. De Leon will go in para sa side ng ating Blue Dolphins.
As number 21 to inbound the ball, passes it to number 1.
Chance to tie the ball game or get a lead here para sa side ng Blue Dolphins. Soriano with the ball, passes to the corner. Badong for 3, no good. Pass break dito. White Tigers intercepted by Soriano. Briosa gets it back.
Kinuha galing sa likod. We see here a Jose Alvarado treatment coming from behind steal by Briosa and gets that 2-point layup.
Seconds to play tayo dito, mga kaibigan, sa pagtatapos ng first quarter. Corner shot by number 24. That's short. Pero may offensive rebound dito. Number 1 tries that floater. No good. Number 3 with the rebound. Shot clock is off. White Tigers with the ball. Briosa, quick trigger 3. No good. 10 seconds remaining. Badong with the ball. Passes to his teammate. That's going to be White Tigers.
White Tigers to inbound the ball. 5 seconds to create a play. Passes it to number 3. To number 42. Last shot. That's good! It's a 3-pointer. At mukhang may nire-review dito ang ating referee. And magre-review nga sila dito para makita kung that shot was a 3-pointer or a 2-pointer or it was no basket. And also, partner, quick shoutouts sa ating mga manonood to Sam Foliante and to our stats team, Agot, Julie, Eliza, Jinky, and also Aaron. And also nanonood din dito ang ating mga kasamahan sa Bucal, Christine Reyes, Marniela Berido, Kyla Casulia, Erica De Lima, and also Rick Puerta, and also to our cameraman, Sir Jameson Brenya, and Ma'am Irene Tosok. And also, sa mga nanonood sa live stream, if you are free, feel free to also watch physically here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. So that last shot, partner, after reviewing by the referees, it was a 2-point basket.
Pero counted yung kanilang last shot dito ng ating White Tigers. And
back to the ball game na agad, partner. Second quarter. 8-point lead.
6-point lead, partner, ang hawak dito ng ating White Tigers as we go into this we go into this second quarter.
As number 6. Ang advantage, partner, kung sa small ball offense, lalo na kung minsan matatangkad yung depensa, yung small ball usually magaling mag-draw ng foul and also yung mga shooting fouls and very lethal yung mga free throws kung magaling din mag-draw ng foul or magaling din mag-free throw yung nag-draw ng foul.
Isa ring advantage para sa mga small ball lineups, no, kaya ginagawa siya sa NBA is because mas mabilis tumakbo ang mga small ball, kaysa sa mga big men because of their size difference nga naman. Mas mabilis silang makatakbo from side A to side B because of their height difference. Pero going back dito sa ating ball game, Ramos with that unsuccessful free throw. That's gonna be the ball of the White Tigers.
Now, ball possession dito ng White Tigers.
Napakagandang full court press ang pinapakita, partner, dito ng ating Blue Dolphins.
That's number 3. Now has the ball. Number 3 passes it to number 8. Back to number 3. Oriol tries a 3-pointer. No good. Pero rebound dito ni Soriano. Passes it to Dumalasa. Dumalasa now has the ball. Passes it to number 21. Heavily guarded there by number 1.
That's a steal. Fast break dito. Briosa open for that layup. It's good. Extending their lead here to double digits para sa side ng White Tigers.
8 minutes and 43 seconds remaining here. Aspadong has the ball.
Another steal here by the White Tigers. Fast break dito. Number 6 ngayon. Fakes and gets a foul.
Nag-draw ulit dito ng foul ng White Tigers as they will step on the line for 2 free throws.
It's gonna be a foul called on number 21 dito from the side of the Blue Dolphins.
As Atienza will take his first free throw. First free throw is good for Atienza. The second free throw. Second free throw. No good. Rebound, offensive rebound dito ni number 8. As number 8 gets that 2 points. 25 and 12 ang ating score in favor of the White Tigers. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Blue Dolphins, let's call on our courtside reporter Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Elian Burns, hindi natin mapagkakaila that both of these teams are giving us a good game. Nagkadikit na ang scores ng Dolphins and White Tigers during the first quarter. Kaya the Dolphins decided to switch from 1-2-2 defense to a man-to-man full court na depensa. During that time, noong umpisa ng second quarter, Coach Tan reminded them to box out after a shot has been made. Yan lamang ang updates ko dito sa loob ng court. Balik sa inyo, Burns and LA.
Ayun, maraming salamat Zai for that update on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Pero bago natin talakayin yung update na binigay ni Zai, tatawag muna ng timeout dito ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. So don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5.
We're back live here sa ATENEO University Gymnasium for the continuation of our second quarter. And to give us an update sa side naman ng White Tigers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong update natin dyan?
And babalikan natin mga kaibigan si Angel with some technical difficulties. 7 minutes, 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Briosa with the ball. Passes to his teammate Bola to the corner. Number 42 to number 3. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Number 6 to number 3. Floater. That's good. And I think si Angel is good now on her side. So tawagin natin.
Quarter of the game. Burns and LA, we are now at the second quarter of the game. With a confident lead, the White Tigers takes their momentum to maintain their momentum and tune their winning strategy. This allows them to refocus, ensuring they continue to execute their game plan flawlessly. Thus, stay tuned as the White Tigers aim to grow their lead in this captivating second quarter. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much Angel for that update sa side ng White Tigers. Makita din natin dito na they are now in the lead. 31 ang score at 12 naman sa Blue Dolphins with 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining.
Medyo napako partner sa 12 yung ating Blue Dolphins dito.
Yes. And also nasabi din kanina sa timeout ni Coach Tan Salceda to switch from 1-2 to man-to-man trapping.
Medyo effective naman yung kanilang defense change here. Pero Brioso with that mid-range jumper, no good. Pero nakakuha na naman siya ng foul. Medyo foul trouble fouls dito ang ating Blue Dolphins.
Yes.
Brioso again will head to the line to shoot for 2.
Padua will step inside. And Badong will go out. Briosa, first free throw. No good. Briosa, second free throw. No good. Rebound dito ng Blue Dolphins. It's number 10 now has the ball. Passes it to number 0. Tondo. Tondo to Padua. To number 20, Soriano.
10 seconds to shoot here.
Tondo thought about a 3-pointer. Passes it to Soriano to take the 3. No good.
No good pa rin, partner. Pako pa rin sa 12 dito ang Blue Dolphins. As number 3 passes to the inside. Number 42, beautiful fake hit there. No good sa kanyang attempt. Another one for that offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. And just like that, Mariners will control the play dito.
As Tondo passes it to Soriano. 2-pointer. No good.
No good pa rin. Offensive rebound. Soriano gets his own miss. 3-point attempt. This time, wala pa rin. Defensive rebound by number 42. Fast break to number 3. Stops. Passes to Briosa. Beautifully done.
And
plus a foul.
3-point play opportunity again from the White Tigers. Penalty na dito ang White Tigers. And the White Tigers, we see there on our scoreboard, wala pa silang team fouls committed in this second quarter. As Briosa looking to extend their lead and to add up into their points.
And the penalty situation na dito, mga kaibigan, ng ating Blue Dolphins. Samantalang ang White Tigers, wala pa ring foul na nakukumit dito sa ating second quarter.
Defensive rebound.
Layup there by number 24, no good. Offensive rebound by number 21 and gets a foul. And one play there done by number 21, De Leon.
3-point play opportunity of their own.
And partner, the drought has ended para sa side ng ating Blue Dolphins dito. And the chance for another point sa 3-point attempt dito ni De Leon.
Yes, that was the basket to break the momentum of the White Tigers. And also, nararattle kapag nakakashoot ang opponent, usually kapag large on deficit, all you need is a basket to gain confidence na, to take more of the lead and also to take more chances, create open shots dito.
Tama, partner. Kaya nga nakakuha na naman ng isa pang foul dito ang ating White Tigers as number 17 got his first free throw shot here.
Second free throw is good.
5 minutes, 11 seconds remaining sa ating first half, mga kaibigan. Briosa passes to number 42 to the inside. That's good. Tightly guarded there by 2 Dolphins, pero naipasok pa rin ni number 6 yung bola.
Di nila ilaalintana yung mga lalaking players ng Blue Dolphins and just sumasalaksak pa.
Uy, beautiful pass there by number 24.
No look pass.
Napakaganda nun.
It's number 3. Passes it to number 8. Number 3. Blocked there by the Blue Dolphins.
Yun naman, partner, yung makikita natin sa height advantage ng ating Blue Dolphins. They have a high percentage of getting blocked sa mga attempts na pinapakita dito ng White Tigers.
Blocking is usually about timing.
Yes, partner.
And also, kung paano magre-recover yung player na na-block to create a second chance opportunity to the basket.
Briosa now with 12 seconds on the shot clock, passes it to his teammate, and that's going to be another foul called on the side of the Blue Dolphins. That's going to be a foul called on number 15, Ramos.
Free throw ngayon dito ang White Tigers with 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining here in our second quarter.
Ayun nga. And kung mahalata mo, partner, no? Babad na babad sa laro dito si Briosa. First shot there is good para sa kanya. And makikita naman natin kaya babad na babad siya ni coach is because napakaganda ng kanyang ball movement and basketball IQ when it comes to playing inside the hard court.
That second free throw is good. 18 and 37 ang ating score with 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining here in our second quarter as Tondo now has the ball, passes it to Dumalasa. Dumalasa back to Tondo. Loses the ball. Ball possession ng ating White Tigers. As Atienza passes it to number 3.
Yan, partner, no? Besides the foul trouble na pinapakita dito ng ating Blue Dolphins, they're still struggling with the turnovers there as Atienza attempts to get that floater in. No good. Fast break dito. Dumalasa. 2-on-1 fast break. Layup. No good sa kanyang attempt. Offensive rebound.
Pero
may foul. Nakita ang referee dito. It's gonna be a foul called on Atienza. 3 team fouls na dito ngayon para sa White Tigers as De Leon will go to the line again to shoot his free throws. First shot no good.
Second free throw attempt dito ngayon. Second free throw. That's good. As White Tigers in possession, passes it to number 6. To number 6. Slips there. Steal dito ni number 24 ng Blue Dolphins. Passes it to Tondo. Tondo. That's gonna be a foul. And also 2 free throws for Tondo as he will step on the line for 2 free throws with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. 19 and 37 in favor of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. First free throw attempt, no good. Second free throw ngayon dito ni Tondo. And no good. Defensive rebound dito ng White Tigers. Pass to number 4 to number 6. Number 6 loses the ball. Blue Dolphins on the offense. Dumalasa to Tondo. Tondo driving. Basket, no good. Tondo guarded by the White Tigers as number 24 fouled again and will be given 2 free throws. Both teams now in penalty situation with 3 minutes and 1 second remaining here in our second quarter. And ayun, partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. Big's Diner, Havaianas, and also Elise Sportswear.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors as number 24 gets his second shot in. Briosa passes to his teammate, intercepted pero nakuha ulit ng White Tigers. Number 25 got that ball intercepted by Dumalasa. Blue Dolphins ngayon ang nasa opensa.
Astondo calling for his teammate. Pass there to number 24, 3-pointer. And that's good, 3-pointer. Mukhang nabuhay, sumigla ulit dito ang bench ng Blue Dolphins after the 3-pointer by number 24, Padua. As Blue Dolphins on the offense. Layup, tip in, that's good. By jersey number 17. As Tondo. Screen, Tondo, 3-pointer. No good. Adan will be awarded with 2 free throws. 2 minutes na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Pasacao Academy, White Tigers still has the lead. 39 and 24 ang ating score in favor of the White Tigers.
Medyo humahabol na ng kaunti dito ang ating Blue Dolphins as number 17 gets his first free throw in. Second shot here. No good. Pero may offensive rebound. Dumalasa. No good sa kanyang attempt. Offensive rebound. Number 24 tries again pero nakakuha siya ng foul dito sa kanyang unsuccessful floater. 2 shots ulit para sa side ng Blue Dolphins.
Nakikita natin dito na the Blue Dolphins are trying to make a comeback from a free throw. Especially free throws are very lethal. Kahit pa yan 1 point is kaya niyan habulin ang ano man na score. Especially kung very successful ang free throw attempts mo.
Of course, partner. And syempre, malilimit ang mga movements dito ng ating mga players na nagkakaroon ng foul troubles. It's because hindi na sila masyadong magiging harass sa kanilang movements and sa kanilang pag-pick ng ball dito. Pero going back sa ating ball game, Bio with the ball. Miscommunication there on the side of the Tigers.
Number 24, Eurostep. Layup, no good. Inside pass to number 17, Adan. It's 2 points there. Shortening the lead in just 11 points. It's number 12. Heavily harassed here by the Blue Dolphins as Adan gets that steal. And number 24, Eurostep again. Basket. Still, no good. Pero may foul doon na nakita ang ating referee. Foul kay jersey number 17. White Tigers in penalty situation. As Padua will be replaced by Sambahon, jersey number 1. First free throw attempt, no good. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining here in our second quarter as number 17 will take his second free throw attempt. Second free throw, no good. Offensive rebound by number 12. Heavily harassed there by the Blue Dolphins. And that's going to be Mariners basketball. As Dumalasa will inbound the ball. Passes it to Tondo.
1 minute and 2 seconds remaining, partner, dito sa ating first half. Dumalasa thought about that 3-pointer, passes to the corner for that 2-point attempt. No good. That's a block by number 17.
Good recovery there by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers after that block. And Ball possession mapupunta sa Blue Dolphins. Dumalasa ngayon, may dala ng bola.
Seconds to play in this first half. Dumalasa, 3-pointer. No good.
Oop, may nakitang foul. Doon ang ating referees. Natapik. As number 17, tinawagan ng foul. Hit to the head. Dito ang White Tigers, as the White Tigers will once again step on the free throw line. First free throw attempt. Number 17. Basket's good. The second free throw attempt by jersey number 17. Both free throws are good. And timeout dito ngayon ang Mariners Blue Dolphins with 37 minutes, 0.58, 37 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO Danaga University Gymnasium to continue our second quarter with 37.58 seconds remaining here. And Pasacao Academy White Tigers 41 points against the Blue Dolphins with 28 points. As the Mariners Blue Dolphins ball possession. As Tondo now has the ball. Tondo, 3-pointer. That's good. A 10-point lead na lamang dito ang hawak ng White Tigers as number 4 will be called for a backcourt violation after he steps on the half court.
That's an unforced error para sa side ng ating White Tigers partner, no? Magandang plays ang pinapakita dito ng ating Blue Dolphins as they are cutting the lead here to only 10 na lang. Pero number 8 with that mid-range no good. Balik pa rin sa Blue Dolphins ang bola with 6 seconds on the shot clock. And game clock dito as we end our first half. Number 8 passes to Tondo. Tondo to the corner. Dukasin, floater. That's gonna be a traveling violation, partner. Another turnover here by the side of the Blue Dolphins. 1.67 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half.
Man-to-man dropping dito ang Blue Dolphins. 1 second to create a play.
And out of bounds ang bola, partner. Ball possession dito ng Blue Dolphins.
Three-pointer there by Soriano.
Basket's
no good.
And that's gonna be the end of our first half. Ating score 41-31. Still a 10-point lead by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 5.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
We are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for the second half. And backcourt violation agad dito. Committed here by the White Tigers. 10-point lead. Holding here by the White Tigers. As the Blue Dolphins takes this ball possession. As Tondo now has the ball. Nagpa-screen here kay number 15. Number 15. Basket no good. Pero same ball dito. Blue Dolphins to inbound the ball. And also, pasalamatan din natin ngayon. Alam ko partner na amoy mo na to ngayon. This is Pigs, Havaianas, and also Elise Sportswear as White Tigers in offense. As Briosa, pass deflected there by the Blue Dolphins. As Tondo now driving. Basket, and no good, in and out to number 15. Basket's good. As number 77, Dumalasa. To Dumalasa. Block there by jersey number 17 as the Blue Dolphins in possession and in offense. Number 4. Passes it to Briosa. Briosa. Off balance shot. No good. Briosa to number 10. Number 10. Layup. Still no good. Dumalasa. Still no good. Second chance point. But there's a foul called here. And Dumalasa will be awarded with 2 free throws. And to give us an update sa side ng ating White Tigers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita natin dyan?
Burns and LA, we are now at the third quarter of the game. The White Tiger is still leading a game and are roaring up to the ring. Coach Terry wants the player to be more hungry on the court, stressing the player to avoid overhead pass and to strengthen the 2-3 ball defense, hoping to continue the momentum. Furthermore, stay tuned as they still fight with the roaring on the court. And that's the latest update from the bench of the White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Yes, thank you Angel for that update. So narinig natin doon partner na nag-switch na dito ang White Tigers to a 2-3 ball defense in this third quarter as the Blue Dolphins slowly na bumabawi dito sa ating third quarter as they are now also in offense. Tondo passes it to number 10. Spins but draws a foul. 2 free throws.
And to give us an update naman on the side of the Blue Dolphins, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Zai, ano ang balita dyan? And babalikan natin ulit si Zai, partner, no? Because of the technical difficulties sa kanyang microphone. Free throw attempt dito para kay Dukusin. 35-41 ang ating score dito. 8 minutes 30 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. And the White Tigers now on the offense here. Atienza with the ball. Passes to the corner. Number 4 to number 14. Fires a 3-pointer. No good.
Jersey number
That's
20.
steal by number 14. Passes to number 4. Kanyang attempt. No good. Put back by number 17. That's good. Extending the lead here para sa Tigers. Another 2-pointer. And to give us an update now on the side of the Blue Dolphins, tawagin natin ang ating court side na si Zai. Zai?
Burns and LA, the third quarter will be ours. Yan ang remark ng team as they end their huddle before the third quarter starts. It seems like they were a bit tense earlier, but in this quarter, they are more in control of the ball. Totoo nga naman talaga ang sabi nila, nabilog ang bola. Habang may oras, may pag-asa. The words from their coaches surely gave them a boost of confidence, and we could see it in their scores. Pagdating naman sa depensa, the Dolphins will stick to their man-to-man defense and execute their team chemistry. Yan lamang dito, balik sa inyo, LA and Burns.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Zai, for that update from the side of the Blue Dolphins. The advice, maganda yung mindset na sinet dito ng coach, si Coach Tan Salceda, na mahaba pa ang oras. And it is truly, mahaba pa ang oras. It's just the third quarter and kaya pa, and I'm sure kayang-kaya din bumawi ng ating Blue Dolphins. As now, the Blue Dolphins in offense. Number 24 off balance shot, no good.
White Tigers ngayon, partner, ang nasa opensa. Number 14. Nagmamadali, passes to bola to number 14. Easy floater there by number 14 on the side of the White Tigers. And just like that, lumolobo na naman ang kalamangang hawak dito ng ating White Tigers.
Especially the disadvantage here kapag matatangkad ang players and ang ginaguard nila is yung mga point guards. Hindi nila basta-basta nakikita ito. And also, timeout here ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins with 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Magbabalik po kami mga kaibigan. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Live here sa ATENEO University Gymnasium for the continuation of our third quarter with 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. As the White Tigers still in the lead, 37-50 in favor of the White Tigers as Dumalasa. Back to Dumalasa. Pass to number 24. To number 10. Back to Dumalasa. Dumalasa, 3-pointer. No good. As White Tigers back in control of the ball. Briosa, 3-pointer. No good. Defensive rebound by jersey number 15 of the Blue Dolphins as Dumalasa now controls the ball. Dumalasa to jersey number 24. Dumalasa, 3-pointer. That's good. Dumalasa umariba dito with his 3-point attempt. A successful 3-point attempt to shorten the lead just to 10 points.
Ngayon, White Tigers naman ang nasa opensa. Briosa thought about that 3. Intercepted by Dumalasa. Successful steal. Fast break dito ngayon ang Blue Dolphins but it's intercepted by number 14. Number 8 passes to the inside man. Number 17 floater. That's good. Plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play para kay jersey number 17.
And also partner, abangan din mamaya ang ating second game, which is the USI Falcons versus the CCDI Wildcats. Both teams searching for their first win and someone zero has to go mamaya sa ating matchup. At mamaya din natin malalaman kung sino mananalo sa USI Falcons and sa CCDI Wildcats.
Yun. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito, partner. Number 17 completes the 3-point play, extends their lead to 13 ulit. As Dumalasa ngayon controlling the play para sa Blue Dolphins. Dumalasa passes to his teammate here. Inside pass, masyadong malakas. Ramos tried to save it, but that goes out of bounds. That's another turnover para sa side ng ating Dolphins. Substitution dito para sa White Tigers. Lalabas muna si Briosa.
As no jersey number 3 in offense passes it. Jersey number 8 guarded there by jersey number 3 to 27. 3-pointer, no good. As Dumalasa, defensive rebound. Dumalasa heavily harassed here by jersey number 3. Badong. To jersey number 15. Hook shot, no good, but there's a foul and he will be awarded with 2 free throws. Ramos, first free throw. It's good. And jersey number 15, Ramos, will take his second free throw attempt again. Second free throw attempt. That's good. Making it a 2 for 2 free throws here. As the White Tigers now in ball possession. Jersey number 14 calling up a play. Passes it to number 27, to number 8. To jersey number 27, to number 14. Passes it to number 17. But there's a foul. And he will be awarded with 2 free throws. Bola will take his first free throw attempt.
No good sa kanyang first attempt dito. 4 minutes, 21 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 11-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating White Tigers. Bola with his second attempt on the free throw line. That's good. Extend the lead to 1 dozen. Dumalasa ngayon, nagdadala ng bola para sa Blue Dolphins. Passes to the corner. Number 24, mid-range jumper. That's good. Balik sa 10. Ang kalamangan dito ng White Tigers.
As number 3 passes the ball to number 14.
Beautiful inside
17.
pass there to Bola for that 2-pointer. Napakagandang ball movement na pinapakita dito ng both teams. Especially that one play there by number 14 to number 17 from the White Tigers. Padua, inside pass to Ramos. Ramos got that ball stripped away. Loose ball. That's gonna be White Tigers ball.
Mainit na dito, partner, ang bakbakan ng Blue Dolphins at White Tigers as the Blue Dolphins trying to bounce back and also get their first win this season. Bola, 3-pointer.
Beautiful
mid-range
jumper there by Bola. Oh, nalata ko lang, partner, no? Dalawa pala ang players ng White Tigers na may apilyadong Bola.
Yes,
number
partner.
17 and number 8.
Chris Bola. And also, partner, meron din sila pang magkapatid. Jersey number 16 and jersey number 14. Si Rico Bayo at si John Bert Bayo.
Number 17 here, Bola passes and intercepted there by Dumalasa. 4-on-1 fast break. Padua layup, that's good. Walang nag-contest ng shot there by Padua.
At speaking of magkapatid, partner, maaabangan din natin mamaya ang UNC Greyhounds at the Shepherdville Rams. Magkambal na si Andrew, si mga Valero brothers. And also MVP last juniors division.
Yes. And a 2-pointer there again for the side of the White Tigers.
2 minutes na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating third quarter. 60 points for the White Tigers and 46 for the Blue Dolphins. As Dumalasa calling for a play. Passes it to the big man, jersey number 24, Padua. Back to Ramos. Ramos, hook shot. That's good. 2 points here for Ramos as White Tigers in offense. Jersey number 14, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass it to jersey number 27. 3-point shot, no good. Pero rebound dito. Jersey number 3 as Bola. 3 and no good. Rebound dito ni jersey number 24 as Dumalasa now has the ball. Dumalasa. 3-2. Zone defense dito ngayon. Ang ating White Tigers. As Padua open. 3-pointer. Misses it. Substitution dito ngayon. Pinasok dito ngayon si Tondo. And jersey number 3 will go out of the game. Badong. Substitution din dito ang ating White Tigers. As the Blue Dolphins in offense. Second chance points. Good there by Dumalasa. Just 10-point lead na lamang dito with 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining here in our third quarter.
Scrambles for the ball. Dumalasa gets that steal. Fast break dito. Tondo layup. That's good. And just like that, partner, single-digit lead na lang ang hawak ng White Tigers dito.
As nag-switch na dito ang Blue Dolphins into a half-court press as jersey number 42. That's good. Balik ulit sa 10 ang Kalamangan.
Dumalasa controlling the play para sa kanyang team dito. 30 seconds on the game clock. Nice fake there by Tondo. 3-pointer. Bounces. No good. Number 3 gets that rebound pero na-steal dito ni Tondo. Half step floater. That's good. 2-pointer.
So 8 ang Kalamangan ng Pasacao Academy with 10 seconds to create a play.
Shot clock is off dito. Bola open for that 3-pointer. That's gonna be short.
As
2
Tondo
seconds here. Tondo. Half-court
goes up
shot.
a prayer. That's gonna be the end of our third quarter with Pasacao Academy White Tigers still in the lead against the Blue Dolphins. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back, and it is the fourth and final quarter here in this Bucal Season 5. A matchup between the Blue Dolphins and the White Tigers. Fourth quarter. And White Tigers now harassed here by the Blue Dolphins as they get that defensive rebound as Tondo spins, drives to the basket. No good. Defensive rebound by jersey number 42. As the White Tigers strikes a 3-pointer. Misses it. Same ball. White Tigers still in possession with 15 seconds to create a shot. And also, steal dito ng Blue Dolphins as Tondon once again drives to the basket, passes it to jersey number 24. Great assister to get a 2 points.
6-point lead na lang, partner, ang hawak dito ng ating White Tigers. Number 17 passes to Briosa, passes to the inside man. That's a beautiful 2-pointer and a beautiful assist by Brioso. And a chance for a 3-point play para kay number 42.
As the White Tigers free throw attempt. No good.
Does not complete the 3-point play dito para kay Escano. Dumalasa. Fast break dito ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. Bump his defender. No good. Offensive rebound. Padua tries again. That's blocked. Badong. No good pa rin. It's gonna be a loose ball. Turnover dito by Briosa. 8 seconds on the shot clock here. 8 seconds to make a shot para sa Blue Dolphins. Padua will now inbound the ball para sa Blue Dolphins. And there's a foul called by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on number 42. Napakaganda ng comeback play dito na ginawa ng Blue Dolphins. Oh. Partner, almost a 16-point lead ang hawak kanina ng ating White Tigers, pero naibaba nila sa 6 na lang. Pero ball possession dito ngayon ng White Tigers. Briosa to the corner. Balik kay Briosa. Floater, no good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Ramos. That's gonna be Ramos' 5th personal foul. That means he's excluded from the ball game. And the 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Briosa. First shot is good para sa kanya.
A chance to bring the lead back to 10 points. And
second attempt, no good.
Rebound from the Blue Dolphins. As Tondo lumulusot dito from sa White Tigers, pero ball possession ng White Tigers after that steal. And that's gonna be a turnover.
Medyo napa-rainbow niya, partner, yung pasa niya. Kaya tumama sa scaffolding dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium yung bola. Substitutions for both teams dito.
As Badong will be inbounding the ball. Tondo takes it. Passes it to Soriano. Soriano to Tondo. To Badong. Badong. That's going to be a foul, and they will be awarded with 2 free throws. Badong's first free throw. No good. Second free throw attempt by Badong. It's good. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Blue Dolphins, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, ano balita natin dyan?
LA and Burns, this will be the last quarter that will determine if they will place a spot at the Final Four. Kaya pinag-iigi ng Dolphins ang kanilang performance in terms of offensa. They've been consistent with their 2-point shots. Pagdating naman sa depensa, the Dolphins will transition to a man-to-man half-court defense since during the third quarter they used the 1-2-2 method. Coach Tan reminded his players to take their time to shoot and wag magmadali since they still have 10 minutes para bumawi. Talagang ramdam na ramdam dito sa loob ng court, kaya naman stay tuned lamang for more updates. Balik sa inyo, Burns and LA.
Yes, thank you so much Zai for that update. At nakikita natin dito na it is a make or break situation na here, and consistency is key to winning here. And timeout dito ngayon ang Pasacao Academy White Tigers with 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here in our fourth and final quarter as the Blue Dolphins trying to bounce back with 65 and 59 in favor of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
And again, partner, no? Kanina nag-interview ang ating mga courtside reporters sa pareho mga coaches. Ngayon, ikaw naman partner ng aking ma-interview.
Yes.
So, ano ang masasabi mo sa overall performance ng ating dalawang teams dito?
Both teams trying to show what their preparations, kung ano yung naging preparations sila during training and what they are capable of doing.
Oo.
Especially if bouncing back ang pag-uusapan, as Blue Dolphins, pinaliliit na lamang nila ang lamang ng White Tigers coming from 10 points, and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, hindi nila inaalintana yung small ball nila, and also they aren't afraid of driving below the basket.
Ayun, and maraming salamat partner sa inyong insight dito sa ating laro. Pero ngayon, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel to give us an update on the side of the White Tigers. Angel.
Burns and LA, we are now at the last quarter of the game, and the White Tiger is still leading the game. They are showcasing a good control and an impressive performance. Coach Terry still stressed the player to be hungry for the ball. He also highlighted for the players to pass the ball to the open man and to aim for a more successful shot. Stay tuned with us until the last minute as the White Tigers maintain their roaring strategy. And that's the last quarter update from the defense of the White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Angel for your update. And ayan nga partner, no, this is the final quarter na makikita natin kung sino ba ang mananaig dito sa ating ball game na ito. Makikita natin yan sa pagbabalik ng ating ball game as White Tigers ngayon ang nasa opensa, still maintaining their lead from the second quarter to now the fourth, pero that's a steal by Badong. Fast break, 3-on-2. Badong going all the way with a layup. No good. Tondo with an offensive rebound and a foul called by the referee.
And also partner, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga volunteer photographers. Especially Yoin Perez, C Photography. Photography ni Wewe and Jerwin Baidal Dumalasa Photography.
Yan, shout out kay Kuya Jerwin. Absent pa rin ngayon.
Yes. Kapon partner, nandito siya.
Yes.
And sa game ng NCF and the Annunciation Panthers.
Tondo ngayon with his free throws, partner.
7-point lead na lamang dito ang hawak ng White Tigers. And that free throw is good for Tondo. 6 points na lamang dito ang hawak na kalamangan ng White Tigers. With 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining, kayang-kaya pa habulin.
Yes, medyo matagal pa. Tagal pa ang oras. An interception there by Tondo is successful. 3-on-1 fast break dito. Medyo malakas yung pag-dribble doon ni Tondo. That's gonna be turnover.
Unforced error there by Tondo.
White Tigers still holding a 6-point lead dito. Briosa to number 3 to the corner to the inside man. Intercepted by Padua. Fast break ulit dito ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. Soriano stops passes to number 17 and that's gonna be and one. Another
Actually,
chance.
partner,
ito
nga palang tournament natin dito. Itong Bucal Season 5. Dito madedetermine kung sino ang magbabakbakan at magiging representative ng Bicol Region for the NBTC. This is the official qualifying tournament. Kaya iba talaga partner ang nagagawa ng Bucal Season 5. Iba-ibang talents ang nakikita natin dito para lamang mag-qualify at may represent ang Bicol Region in a national level.
And a successful 3-point play there by Adan, cutting the lead of the Tigers to only 3. Ngayon, Tigers naman ang nasa opensa. Number 3 got his 3-pointer attempt blocked there by Soriano.
Nabubuhayan dito. Sumisigla ang fans ng Blue Dolphins after that block. As Tondo nagpa-screen kay jersey number 17. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound dito ni Soriano. Pass to number 24. No good. Tip by the White Tigers as jersey number 20 steals that ball. Soriano, 3-pointer. That's good! It's tied here after the 3-pointer by Soriano. And mukhang mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang White Tigers with 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining here in our fourth quarter. And ayun nga partner, I'm actually shocked after that 3-pointer there by the Blue Dolphins kasi after a very long time, they managed to tie the ball game, especially in the fourth and a crucial quarter.
Yes, partner. And yun nga, no, hype na yung mga nanonood sa ating mga Blue Dolphins dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium by that 3-pointer by Soriano coming from that steal na nakuha niya kaya Briosa sa half-court pass doon ni number 17 and gave the Blue Dolphins a chance here to take the lead para sa kanilang kupunan. Napakagandang play.
Malalim dito ang both teams as 4 minutes pa, mahaba pa. Anyone can take the lead or pwede pa mag-overtime dito.
Yes, partner.
And extend for another 5 minutes of hard, grueling action. As White Tigers controls the ball here, passes to Oriol. Jersey number 3 passes it to number 1, Briosa. Oriol to number 4.
That's another
steal there by Adan. Tondo driving. Pass it to Soriano. And no good. As Briosa takes that long pass.
Napakaganda.
Good. Nabawi ulit ng White Tigers ang Kalamangan with just 2 points. 3 minutes ang natitira dito sa ating fourth quarter. As Soriano thought about a 3. Number 24 to Badong. Layup, no good. Second chance point opportunity for Badong. As Adan draws a foul. And will take 2 free throws as the White Tigers in penalty situation. First free throw is good, cutting the lead just to 1 point.
And quick shoutouts tayo dito ngayon, partner, no? Shoutout sa aking girlfriend na si Iris Ignacio Oresca na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live.
And also, partner, shoutout ko din, partner, ang aking girlfriend na nanonood din sa Facebook Live na si Angelica May Peñaflor.
Shoutout sa inyo. And shoutout sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusuporta sa ating Bucal, sa ating mga Facebook pages, at syempre dito sa loob ng ating venue. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining dito, mga kaibigan, sa ating ball game. We are now tied to 69. Briosa, miscommunication there from his teammate. That's gonna be an unforced turnover para sa side nila. Napaka-crucial ng turnover na yon.
Especially a crucial mistake with just 2 minutes remaining here as Tondo, 3-pointer.
No
Basket's
good.
no good. Still a tie ball game here. As the White Tigers in possession. Briosa has the ball. Guarded by Tondo.
Corner pass here. Oriol open for that 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. And that's gonna be another turnover for the side of the White Tigers. Still, we are now tied here in our fourth quarter. This is still an even matchup, partner. Kumbaga, masasabi nga nila sa mga laro-laro sa mga liga-liga, 0-0 ulit.
Deadlock.
Soriano for that long 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Tondo goes inside. Attempts for the 2-pointer. That's good. And now, partner,
first lead of the Blue Dolphins in
dito,
this matchup.
Oo. Hindi, partner. First lead nila ngayong fourth quarter. From the second to the fourth quarter. And we are now on our last 2 minutes as number 4 gets that end one play and a chance to take the lead for the White Tigers dito. We are now deadlock at 71. Napaka-intense ng matchup na to. Akala ko nga, partner, kanina this was gonna be a blowout game, pero Blue Dolphins have proven themselves dito, striving to tie the ball game, and kanina lang they took the lead dito sa ating ball game na ito.
And also, White Tigers a chance to once again regain the lead and a chance to take the momentum.
No good sa kanyang 3-point play, pero that's gonna be an offensive rebound para kay number 4. Inside pass by Brioso. That's good. Plus another foul, mga kaibigan. Another chance to take.
We see there on our screens. Jersey number 17.
Oh. Pero slow to get up dito ngayon si number 17. I think masyadong hard yung foul na nakuha niya kanina. Pero I think he's good. He will attempt his 3-point play dito, mga kaibigan. 2-point lead. Ang hawak ngayon ng White Tigers. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining dito sa ball game na ito.
Also, shout out dito, Cristina Valenzuela and Carla Calieja. As jersey number 17, Bola takes that three-point play opportunity. Still there by Bola. As jersey number 6, layup, no good.
Put back by number 17 is good. Umiinit dito si Bola. Kanina pa siya nakakapuntos para sa kanyang team. Clutch points there.
Buhay na buhay ulit dito ang mga manonood sa ating gymnasium.
Almost another steal there by the White Tigers. 3-point attempt. No good from the corner by Dumalasa. Atienza with the ball. Passes to his teammate. Mariscal. Floater. That's good. Using the board for that 2-pointer.
1 minute and 14 seconds remaining here in our fourth and final quarter. Pasacao Academy White Tigers holding on to their lead. And the Blue Dolphins trailing by 6 points. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO University Gymnasium for your fourth and final quarter with 1 minute and 14 seconds. We see there the Mariners, Blue Dolphins in offense. Astondo, pass ito Soriano.
That's a beautiful block there. And that's gonna be a foul called on Dumalasa. Kitang-kita ng referee yung hawi niya kay Atienza dito. Ball possession here by the White Tigers. 1 minute and 1 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Free throw attempt dito ngayon para kay Atienza. Trying to extend their lead to another 2 points. First attempt here. That's good. Six-point lead. 7-point lead mga kaibigan ng hawak dito ng ating White Tigers. Plus 1 more para kay Atienza dito. Dumalasa with the ball with seconds to play here. Less than a minute remaining. Almost a turnover there by the Blue Dolphins. Tondo goes inside. Floater. That's good. Clutch 2-pointer by Tondo dito. Half-court pass to Atienza. Atienza controlling the play dito. Trying to kill the time. Number 3 passes to the corner. Mariscal, a 3-pointer. No good.
Rebound there by Tondo. As Tondo tumatakbo. Mariba. Layup. That's good.
4-point lead na lang. Atienza passes to Briosa. Briosa to the corner. Mariscal passes to Bola. Intercepted pass. That's a steal.
20 seconds to create a play.
Soriano spins. Tondo, no good sa kanyang 2-pointer pero nakakuha siya ng foul. 2 shots dito.
A 3-point play opportunity. Humihinga pa ng malalim dito ang Blue Dolphins.
Partner.
As they will step. As Tondo will step on the line for 2 free throws.
First shot here by Tondo. (14 seconds remaining here. First shot by Tondo, no good. He needs to get the second shot here to make it a 1-possession ball game, mga kaibigan. Second shot is good para kay Tondo, mga kaibigan. 3-point lead na lang ang hawak dito ng White Tigers. And that's gonna be a turnover. Crucial turnover here from the side of the White Tigers, mga kaibigan. Ang tatawag dito ng timeout ang Blue Dolphins. 13 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. 3-point lead ang hawak ng Tigers. Mariners came back from that big deficit given by the White Tigers, and ngayon they are within striking range, partner, to tie the ball game dito. Ano masasabi mo?
It's just, ayaw talaga magpatalo dito ng Blue Dolphins. They came here with a fight, and also likewise din sa White Tigers. But especially dito sa Blue Dolphins, nabubuhayan na sila dito.
Yes, partner.
Because it is only a 3-point lead with 13 seconds remaining here.
Yes.
Sa NBA, partner, 13 seconds is just a minute sa kanila. And kaya pa nila mag-create a play, and also they can also take the lead. Also, overtime.
13 seconds is still a long time para sa Blue Dolphins and para sa ating White Tigers. Siyempre, White Tigers will not
Back
stop
down
until they win this ball game. Ganun din para sa ating Blue Dolphins, and yan, partner, ang isa sa napakagandang pinapakita ng both teams dito. Their dedication and grind for this ball game. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito. Tondo passes to Soriano. Long 3-pointer by Soriano. No good. Scrambling for the ball. That goes out of bounds. Ball
2
possession
seconds
dito ng ating White Tigers. 2 seconds and 78 seconds remaining.
Will this be the game? Or
Brioso. Lay up. That's good! And that's gonna be it, mga kaibigan. Final score, 76-81. Winner sa ating ball game, mga kaibigan. Pasacao Academy, White Tigers. Congratulations para sa both teams, and especially sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Alam namin na pinakita nyo ang inyong lakas at lahat para sa matchup na ito. Kaya don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami para ipakilala ang best player of the game.
yes, sir.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps.
Brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Now with the roaring spirit, I am here with the best player of the game on today's thrilling match. With me is jersey number 17, Kenneth Bench Borja. number 17 of the White Tigers. Now, magandang umaga, Mr. Kenneth. Ngayon, ano ang nararamdaman mo because you are the best player of the game ngayong game?
Masaya po ako at nagpapasalamat po ako sa coaching staff at sa mga kay Ma'am Raquel po, tsaka kay Sir Joel, kay Sir Mario. Yan lang po.
Okay, talaga namang pinakita nyo ang magandang performance ngayon sa court. Now, anong naging preparations no for this game dahil kayo nga ang nanalo last game?
Pinagpraktisan lang po namin yung mga shooting para po mas may laban kami sa mga Mariners po.
So, I am sure that the Pasacao community is very proud of you. Now, I will give you the court para batiin mo ang lahat ng fans, families, friends, and classmates na nanonood sa'yo ngayon live.
Papasalamat po ako sa kay Sir Joel, tapos po kay Sir Mario, kay Ma'am Raquel, at sa mga teacher po sa Academy, at sa jowa ko po na si Mary Joy Hangkolan, at si family niya po, at mama ko po, at papa ko po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kenneth Benj Borja. Once again, our best player of the game, jersey number 17 of the White Tigers, Kenneth Benj Borja. There you have it, basketball fans. This is Dito Pano, your outside correspondent from the bench of the Pasacao Academy. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Angel, for presenting our best player of the game, Kenneth Bola. Ayun nga, partner, no, nakikita natin kanina yung plays na pinakita niya from that fourth quarter, no? 4 clutch points coming from him. Pero ngayon makikita natin, he had a double-double performance with 22 points, 16 rebounds, an assist, plus 3 steals. Talk about doing everything both on the offensive and defensive side.
Yes, both teams played their hearts out in this matchup, but the White Tigers really stood out and take their second win down the road this season.
And ayun nga, partner, no? Napakagandang performance rin ng pinakita ng ating Blue Dolphins, no? 16-point lead down from the second and third quarter, pero nakapaghabol pa sila and took that lead late in the fourth quarter. Pero syempre, one must win this ball game, and yun nga yung White Tigers. Pero yan, mga kaibigan, this is all of the time that we have from the matchup of the White Tigers and Blue Dolphins. Tutok lang kayo, mga kaibigan, for the second game by the USI Falcons and the CCDI Wildcats sa ating Seniors Division. Ako nga, si David Joshua Bernales, your commentator. Kasama ko si
L.A. Lapid, ang inyong commentator din for today's matchup. And this is Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Paalam,
Paalam, partner.